Okay, this is going to be a little bit of a different type of topic and a little bit different type of discussion because I can feel the weight on people's shoulders. I can feel this burden, and I could feel people are becoming, concerned, and they're becoming disenchanted, and they're becoming, like they're slowing down their work. They're slowing down their art process. They're slowing down their creative process. I can feel it. I'm going to adjust this camera a little bit. So I wanted to get into it, and I wanted to talk a little bit about, we as artists, we're a body of people that have incredible emotional connection to the world of art. And you can create in so many different ways. You have the ability to design, to create, to build, to structure, to have a vision, have approach, have an amazing abilities and talents and skills. And this is for all the people out there that have these heavy weights on their shoulder, and they feel like they're disconnecting from the world of art and their art world and their art portfolio and their body of work. And they just are coming to a point where they want to stop. And I want to tell you, all of us as artists, you can do this for 30 years straight, but all of us as artists, there are points in time, whatever given month, whatever given moment in time, where you get to a point where you say, I got to take a break. I just can't keep this pace up. I can't keep producing. I can't keep designing. I can't keep creating. So we all get there. There is a moment in time where you get there. But I'm here to inspire you, and I'm not joking. This is not a joke. I'm here to inspire you to never stop. Don't ever stop your abilities to create, to design, to make illustrations, to make drawings, to make incredible watercolor designs, incredible oil paintings that are magnificent, and amazing, fantastic, wonderful acrylic paintings and sculptures and designs. And I power up fast because this is such an important piece. My connection to the world and the communities out here, especially on this platform, because I can feel it as people are talking to me, as people are discussing things, as people are channeling their information to me, as people are sending me questions. I can feel it. I can feel the weight. I can feel it on them, and I can feel the disconnection because they're disconnecting, and they want to stop. They don't know if they have it in them to go, and create this one more piece and this one more new design and this one more new original. And should we just stop the process? Should we just abandon our God-given gifts? We are granted with God-given gifts. And then we build our talents and skills. So there's 3 levels. We build skills, we build knowledge, we build talents, and then we are granted. We are the special people in the world that are granted these gifts in life. That gives us the abilities to create, to design, to see things that people can't see, to visualize things that people don't understand, and to bring that together under the energies and under our skill sets to make magnificent artwork. And people of generations and generations will never be able to understand that world. But if we don't create it, they will never experience it. So I implore you to keep going. I don't want you guys to stop and get under despair and have this illusion of things are not going right, and have this craziness going on that says I should come to an end and I should bring my body of work to an end, because your body of work is who you are and what you represent and how you connect and how you channel and how you drive the emotional connections to the communities around you. And that's what we do as artists. That's the energy and the passion and the experience and the knowledge and the ability to touch people is what we do as artists. So never stop. Never get discouraged, because you can have a moment in time, but don't disconnect. Keep going.